Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be going through our whimsical watercolor Eucalyptus wedding collection. This collection is perfect for your spring or summer wedding, and it's a new item in our Zazzle shop. In this collection, we have available an invitation, RSVP card, enclosure card. We have two different programs, a menu card for your reception, a wedding invitation belly band, and a round label that you can use for your envelope enclosures, like to close it off, or for your favors, like your wedding favors. We have a table number, we have gift tags or favor tags, we have envelope liners, and finally, last but not least, we have an address label. All of these items are available in my Zazzle shop, which the link to this collection will be in the description box below. Let's go ahead and edit the invitation together. So to do so, let's just click on the invitation from the collection menu. Then to personalize the invitation, click on that big blue Personalize This Design button. That'll bring up a text box, or well, all of the text that you can edit in the invitation from this page. Let's go ahead and start personalizing it. If you would like to customize this invitation further by changing the colors of the text or the background color, click on Edit using Design tool. This will bring you up to the designer page. Click on any of the text that you might want to change, such as the names. Then move over to the right-hand side of your screen. This is where you can change the fonts to anything you'd like, or you can change the color by clicking on the color box and either selecting the pre-filled colors, the recently used colors, or the custom color picker letter or custom color picker, which will bring up the palette here. I'm going to use the eyedropper tool, and then I'm going to move over to my design and select the color from it. Now to change the background color, go over to the left-hand side of your screen and select background. Again, you have the option for the pre-selected colors, or you can click on this little plus button to choose a custom color. Now that I have changed the background color, I am going to change the rest of the fonts to a white color just to make it easier to read, because I'm afraid of that dark background with a dark font will be harder for some people. Once I've made the changes on the front, I am going to go and click on the front layers button underneath the undo button. And then I'm going to click on the word back. That'll bring me to the back of the invitation. Now I'm going to click on background again, and I'm going to select the dark color that I chose for the background on the front to match the back. Once I'm done with all of my changes, I'm going to select the gray Done button located at the top of the screen. And if you're not already signed into Zazzle, you will get this pop-up asking if you would like to save your design. You can either sign in from here or select Maybe Later. Once you are done making the changes to your invitation, what you'll want to do is select the quantity. Select the drop-down box or the drop-down arrow in the quantity box to select the number of invitations that you would like, and then click Add to Cart. If you receive this notice that says Review Your Design, Zazzle's letting you know that you may have forgotten to enter in some information. All you need to do from here is click on Edit Template to make the changes, or if that's what you want listed, click Add to Cart. Now it will show that your invitations were added to your cart. To continue with other items from this list, click on the Close button, then scroll down your screen until you see the collection that we've created. You can select any of these 4 items, or you can select Show More Products, and it will show all of the 10 products we have available. I hope that this tutorial helped with editing your invitations and other items in our collection. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below and I'll get back to you right away. Thank you so much for watching. If you wouldn't mind just taking one more second of your time and liking this video and subscribing to our channel, it would mean the absolute world to me.